In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your calendar using the new Outlook for Windows. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to control who can see or edit your schedule. Start by opening Outlook and switching to Calendar. Look to the left side of the screen for the calendar icon. It looks like a small calendar grid. Click it to open the full calendar view. This takes you out of Mail and into the place where all your events live. At the top of the calendar window, you'll see the ribbon, the horizontal toolbar that contains your main actions. Find and select Share Calendar. This is your hub for deciding who gets access and what they're allowed to do. If you manage more than one calendar, such as your primary work calendar in a team or secondary calendar, you'll see a drop-down list. Carefully choose the specific calendar you want to share so you don't grant access to the wrong one. It's a good idea to double-check the calendar name before you proceed. Next, type the name or email address of the person you want to share with. As you type, Outlook will suggest matches from your organization or your contacts. Click the correct person when their name appears. If you're sharing with someone outside your organization, enter their full email address, and Outlook will treat it like any other recipient. Now choose the level of access. View only lets the person see your events without making changes, perfect when you simply want someone to check your availability. Edit access allows them to add, modify, and delete events on that calendar, which is helpful for assistants or teammates who help manage your schedule. Pick the level that fits your situation, and when you're ready, click Share. That's it, your calendar is now shared. The person you selected will receive a sharing invitation or notification, and once they accept, they'll see your calendar according to the permissions you chose. If circumstances change, you're always in control. Return to the same Share Calendar option to adjust permission levels or remove access altogether, and your changes will take effect right away. If this walkthrough helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the flexibility of sharing your calendar in the new Outlook for Windows.